is Ethereum? Ethereum is essentially like the queen in cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the king, Ethereum is the queen, and it's very, very different to Bitcoin. It's not the same cryptocurrency at all. They don't have similar functions. So, what is Ethereum? It's the main altcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin is Bitcoin, the main cryptocurrency, and then you've got all the other 1,000, 1,500 or so altcoins, and Ethereum is seen as the main altcoin. Okay, so again, it's a currency of value. You can pay somebody in Ethereum and give them, essentially giving them money to do something for you. It's a currency of value. And also, you use it to buy altcoins because there's an Ethereum market as well as a Bitcoin market. So Bitcoin markets are essentially altcoins you can buy using Bitcoin. And then there's Ethereum markets, which is essentially cryptos that you can buy using Ethereum. So you can buy some alts only with Ethereum and not with Bitcoin. And then you can invest in ICOs. Now, a lot of ICOs use Ethereum as their number one, as their primary method of investing. Okay, so if you wanted to buy a new currency, let's use, for example, Supocoin. Okay, so if I bought out a cryptocurrency called Supocoin, and if somebody wanted 100,000 Supo coins, they would pay me in Ethereum to get 100,000 Supo coins. They couldn't pay with anything else. So it's listed as a primary cryptocurrency to buy ICOs. But Ethereum really differentiates from Bitcoin because it's a software platform. The technology of the Ethereum blockchain is different to the technology on the Bitcoin blockchain. So essentially what you can do is you can build decentralized apps with their open source software. It's software that's available to many. Okay, so you can build decentralized apps and you can build platforms. A lot of the recent platforms that have been created in the cryptocurrency field have been Ethereum-based platforms, okay, based on the Ethereum blockchain. So that is why Ethereum has a lot of value, because Ethereum is essentially like an operating system, okay? If you wanted to build a Windows-based application, let's say Microsoft Word, you need it to be compatible with the Windows operating system. And Ethereum is essentially the same thing. It's an operating system that allows people to build apps and platforms. And that is where a lot of the cryptocurrencies, this is how a lot of the cryptocurrencies are getting created now, is through building platforms on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum also offers smart contracts. Now, smart contracts is a term you'll hear a lot in cryptocurrency. Now, smart contracts is essentially the same as any contract. A contract that exists between you and someone else for maybe a contract of work, an agreement of some sort. Let's say somebody is living with you and you want a rent agreement, then a smart contract is a good way of having that rent agreement carried out and agreed to. But why it's called smart contracts is because it exists on a blockchain, which means that you can't hack it, it can't be tampered with or anything. Okay, so if you've got a written agreement, it could be tampered with, it could be ripped up, anything could happen that stops it from being legal and legally enforced. With smart contracts, they're untamperable, they're unhackable, nobody can alter it. So if you've agreed something, that is set in stone and it can't be altered. And that's why smart contracts are of prime value in cryptocurrency and in the future when cryptocurrency and real life intersect. Ethereum, as I've just told you about, is a crowdfunding platform for ICOs. A lot of these ICOs are based on the Ethereum blockchain, and you pay for tokens using Ethereum. So a lot of ICOs that you will see, they will say, if you want 1,000 coins or if you want 10,000 coins, you need to pay us 300 Ethereum in exchange for 10,000 tokens of this ICO. So it's a crowdfunding platform as well. So in many ways, it differentiates from Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like the primary currency and Ethereum is like the operating system. Okay, so it allows companies to build, whereas Bitcoin allows you to pay. Okay, and these are the two main cryptocurrencies that exist in the market.